In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play crafting and building with your friends. All you have to do to play crafting and building multiplayer with your friends is to first set up your account. So go into the settings and then tap account over here on the menu. As you can see, you have to click this option, sign in for free. When you click this, you will be redirected to a website where you will have to connect to your account. I won't go over this process in this video, but you should go ahead and follow the instructions. I don't want to show my personal information, but all you have to do is input your email and password. Once you've followed the instructions by signing into an account, you will be able to go back over here on the main menu and your gamer tag should be displayed here. Click play and switch over to the friends tab. In here, select add friends at the top, and as long as you are signed in, you will be able to include their gamer tag. If they don't know their name, all they have to do is go back to the settings, go to account, and read their name over here to you. After both of you are added, you will be able to find them listed over here on the joinable friends when they start a world. As you can see, this is how it looks like on your screen. All you have to do now is tap on the world and you will be able to join them as long as they are on the same connection as you. I hope I was able to help you on how to play crafting and building with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.